Hello everyone, we are the Invisible Warriors.
I am Dishi,
And I am Dhruvan.
studying at grade 8, Exit Public School, Kurgaldi, Mysore.
The theme we have chosen is problem statement development. Design a solution to improve the drinking water and sanitation problem in India.
How often do you see your area dirty? Do you blame your sanitation workers? Sanitation workers, particularly in India, encounter many difficulties. They are mistreated by the locals in the area they work, receive inadequate pay, lack of safety equipments, and many more. The main purpose of this project is to bring dignity to sanitation workers in the eyes of the public.
Even after a sanitation worker cleans the area, some litter bugs still litter the area, which leads to an unpleasant odor and landfills. Hence, the main objective of our project is to shame the litter bugs and instill social consciousness in them so that they don't litter their surroundings anymore. Homepage. This is the homepage where some pictures of a working sanitation workers are displayed. There is a brief explanation about the website and few videos related to the sanitation workers. Services. This web page talks about the services provided by the sanitation worker of the particular area. Measures. It discusses the measures that residents can take to keep the area clean.
Blog. The issues facing sanitation workers are discussed on this blog page. Example, health issues and lack of social security. Forum. This is the forum page where the picture of the litter bugs are uploaded and
sanitation workers in that particular area are given mobile phones with which they can take the litterer's photo. After taking a photo of a litterer, it will be sent to the sanitation workers WhatsApp group with the location and time. The cooperator and the area supervisors are the administrators of the website. They collect photos from the group, authenticate them, and upload them to the website. The uploaded photographs will be displayed on a large screen in their specific area.
Many other websites and blogs concerning sanitation workers focus solely on their misery, but our website is unique. In this, it features a litterer, it raises awareness among the others to avoid littering in public areas.